Hello, my name is Juliet Kigogo, a journalist with Daily Monitor. Today, May 26, 2025, the High Court in Kampala has nullified the election of NUP's Elias Luyimbazi Nalukoola as the Member of Parliament for Kawempe North and ordered for a fresh by-election. I'm joined by my colleague, Christine Nabatanzi from Radio Simba. Christine, briefly tell us about this judgment.
Thank you, Juliet. So today at about 12:50, via email, Justice Namanya sent his decision in that election petition that was filed by NRM Farida Nambi Chigongo, challenging the victory of Elias Nalukoola Luyimbazi. The determination of that decision has seen Nalukoola lose his seat. The seat has been declared vacant, and the Electoral Commission has been ordered to conduct another by-election. So the judge based his decision on mainly two reasons. One is that Nalukoola campaigned on the polling day, which is an offense within the meaning of the electoral laws. Nalukoola carried his umbrella and also chanted party slogans on the election day, signaling to the voters that they should vote for him. Amanyi g'abantu nze Nalukoola. Those are the words that he used on the polling day, and they amounted to campaigning on the polling day. Also, the judge found out that voters from 14 polling stations were disenfranchised. They cast their votes, but they were not included in the final tally by the Electoral Commission. So that translates into is it 10,000? No, it's over 1,640 voters whose voice is not heard or was not heard anywhere from that election. So to the judge, they don't know whether they voted in whose favor or in the other favor, and to him, no one can benefit from that. Not Nalukoola, not Nambi, from that non-compliance from the Electoral Commission.
Okay, Christine, do you think Nalukoola has any options? And if any, what are they?
Nalukoola has a right of appeal to the final court, which is the Court of Appeal. And the Court of Appeal will review the judgment. It will review the evidence that was presented in the lower court, to review the record. Nalukoola can do that in 7 days, within which to file a notice of appeal, 7 days to file a memorandum of appeal, and probably 30 days to file what we call the entire record of what? Appeal. Mind you, the Electoral Commission has only 60 days within which to conduct a by-election. We have only 180 days within which to go for the general election. But either way, if the Court of Appeal upholds the judgment of the lower court, which is the High Court, we shall go for the by-election. If it is overturned, I will retain his victory into the next term.
Okay. So have you heard from EC?
Yes, I talked to the Electoral Commission lawyer, Eric Sabiti, and to him, he's not appealing against the orders of this court, of the High Court. He says it will be in vain since the sitting MP now, since Honorable Nalukoola has been found guilty of committing an election offense, which is campaigning on the polling day. So to him, he would have appealed against the substantiality test, but it would be in vain. However, he says he's ready, or the EC is ready to conduct the by-election.
Thank you, Christine.
You're welcome, Juliet.